Meaning of harvester.
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 Harvester. The term harvester refers to a machine or person who harvests crops or other natural resources, such as timber. The process of harvesting involves removing these resources from their natural environment in order to later use them for food, fuel, or other purposes. Harvesters come in various forms, ranging from manual laborers and animal-powered equipment to large-scale industrial machines. While the act of harvesting is necessary for many industries in the global economy, it also has potential environmental impacts that must be carefully managed to ensure sustainable practices.